So now, for this procedure po, I will transfer my patient from chair to bed. So before anything else, I will ensure po your condition. Ma'am, nahihilo po ba kayo? Okay po. So ma'am, may help ko po kayo na higa po sa bed. So, based on the count of 3, let's stand po ha. 1, 2, 3. Okay po. Okay, kindly sit po doon po. Now po, I will move your feet po para higa na po kayo. Okay, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. So, yun ma'am. And I will move the side rails po para po hindi po kayo mahulog. And I will now position the bed again. Okay po, we are done positioning the patient, and that's the end of our procedure po. Thank you.